Alright, you guys, back with another video. So today we'll be doing a unboxing as well as how I take photos of my products. So I have two packages here from Amazon. I'll place the links down below in the description bar of where I got these products from, as well as the link to that you can purchase them if you want them. But we're going to first open the first package, which these are the products that I'm going to place in my orders for free. So each order will have these, but first let's just sanitize those hands. We want to make sure that no germs are being passed through any of these products as I'm touching them. So we want to, just keep everything clean and fresh. So I'm going to go ahead and sanitize my hands, and then we're going to go back into getting ready to open up these packages. You guys, on to the first package. So this is the spoolies and my plastic applicators that I'm going to place in with each of my products that I'm shipping out. So everyone will get a spoolie, and they'll get a applicator so that you can practice putting on the lashes with the applicator if you have never used one. And I do have metal ones available on my website for purchase. You can check that out, information in the description bar down below. So as you can see here, these do match my logo, and they have a little sparklies on the end, so you're gonna be cute or whatever. And then of course you have your applicator, which is packaged very, very nicely, so you guys will get everything packaged really nice. I have my labels coming in as well, you guys, but if you don't know, Texas had a big winter storm, so my all of my stuff is on hold. It's still being shipped in, so bear with me. I will be uploading a packaging video soon. So on to the second package, you guys. This here is a must if you don't have one. I mean, you don't have to, but I would prefer you get one if you don't have one. It helps to take the pictures of the products really good. So this is going to be the light box, a small light box, and I'll put the link in the description bar down below. As you can see, it's white here. It does come really packaged pretty nicely, and I'm gonna open it here so you can see what it comes in. So this is the name of it. I think it's PULUZ, but it is the ring LED photo light box, and it comes with 6 backdrops. You guys, now the backdrops wasn't my favorite because it has grid lines on it. So when you take the pictures of the products, you're gonna have grid lines on the back, and I didn't like that. I wanted a smooth canvas, so I'm gonna probably put another backdrop in later on. But it does come in with a package that is just like the backdrop, so you'll get a feel of how it actually looks and feels before you put it on. And here goes the product here, you guys. So yeah, you have the instructions, and of course you have the backdrops, as you can see here, the user manual, and you have the backdrops, and then you have the light box. So I'll be back to show you guys how to put it together in just a moment. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to attempt to put this thing together. You guys, I had a hard time putting it together. It's not really complicated, but it kind of was, trying to follow along with the directions and then kind of try to put this together without it collapsing. So basically they have 2 tabs on the bottom and then 2 tabs on the side, and as you can see, you can kind of see it, but you press that tab out just a little bit so that you can click the top of the lid into the bottom, if that makes sense. Now the instructions do tell you how to put it together, but it kind of wasn't like to the point, so I had to kind of figure it out along the way. But as you can see, it kind of snaps in at the bottom, and then you're going to do this for all 4 sides and then pull the cord through, and I'll show you that later on. So I'll just let you keep watching as I put it together. guys, now that we have everything all assembled, we're going to take our backdrop, and I'm going to use the white one, and I'm going to show you here. It has two little prongs at the very back, if you can see that, but it's two prongs at the back that you hang the backdrop onto. And I'm going to go ahead and position that in there and get everything set up. And like I said, you guys, the backdrops are okay, you know, to add a nice little accessory on there, but it has grid lines on it. So when you take the photos, it's going to have grid lines. I did not like that. I had to go in and revamp the photo in its entirety. I'll show you guys at the end of the clip of how they look, but I had to go in and I used Facetune. If you want a video on how I edit my photos, you guys, you can comment down below and I'll do a video on that as well. And yeah, so I'm just going to position this in and get ready to set up to take the photos. Alrighty, on to the product. So I'm just gonna sit this product inside, you guys, and I'll show you how I take the pictures. I'm going to be using my iPhone, but first we need to plug this thing up. So you're gonna need a outlet charger, and you're going to go ahead and put it in so that you can plug it on up and we can get started with the lighting, you guys. So it does have a light at the very top. That's what that ring is there, and you also have an opening at the top, so you can take pictures from inside as well as from the top. So I don't know if I actually showed you how to take it from the top, but you can actually open the lid and take the pictures from the top. So I'm just going to plug everything up here, and then I'll show you how the lights work. So after you plug it up, they do come with, it's a lot of lights on here, you guys. Like, it's a whole it's like 2 or 3 circles at the very top, and each time you click, it changes the light and it gets lighter or it gets darker. As you can see here, it's getting lighter, and then I'm going to turn it down and it's going to get darker. But I'll show you on the remote of how it actually has the plus sign and the negative sign, and also it has the reverse sign, so you can basically reverse the color. So this is how it looks when you set the products up inside there. And as you can see, this is how the remote looks. It has the off switch, and then like I said, it has the plus and minus sign as well as the reversible icon on there as well. So once you press it, it gets lighter or plus sign, or if you press the negative, it gets darker. As you can see here, I'm just adjusting the lighting till I pretty much like it. I also have my ring light as well from the back, so it is kind of giving it a little bit more of a light, but I'm going to show you how it looks coming from, you know, when you take it from the iPhone or whichever phone you have, whether you have an Android or iPhone, it doesn't matter, you know. Okay, you guys, if you wanted to add a backdrop or a different background to it, you can. I'm going to show you here. So I'm using like a little heart to put in the background just because it has little sparklies in there. But you don't have to take the full picture of the heart. You can just take the picture of just the background so it can kind of pick up the lash on there. But yeah, you guys, I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you thumbs this up, make sure you comment down below, as well as subscribe to the channel. Turn those post notifications on so you will be notified when I post another video. So I will be showing another video, you guys, coming soon as my other products come in, and you'll be able to see how I actually package my orders. But here is the final results, you guys. As you can see here, you can still see the grid lines on there, but I had to kind of doctor it up as much as possible. These lashes are on my website at www.mesmerizedbeauty.com. Click on lashes and you will see the products available there, as well as the applicator tool, the metal ones that I have, as well as lash glue. I will be coming soon with more products, so make sure you stay tuned, you guys. If you're not already subscribed to my website, make sure you do so as well. Information is in the description bar down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.